and moments make headlines. Rarely do things create a stir. In this episode of Rewind 2019, we focus on the objects that made a social media buzz but did not make it to the cut for our news episode. First, India's golden tweet. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tweet after the BJP's landslide victory in the Lok Sabha elections was declared by Twitter as the golden tweet of India in 2019. Building on the BJP's campaign slogan, the Prime Minister wrote, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and added Sabka Vishwas or trust as a nod to the 303 seats BJP MPs won in the 543-member Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister ended the victory tweet with the hashtag Vijayi Bharat. The tweet was liked over 421,000 times and retweeted over 118,000 times. Next came the camouflage caps. The Indian cricket team was granted permission to wear camouflage caps during a one-day international match against Australia in March by the ICC. Former Indian skipper Mahendra Singh Dhoni distributed the caps among his team members before the match. The caps were worn as a tribute to the 40 Indian soldiers who were martyred in the Pulwama terror attack. Mahendra Singh Dhoni's keeping gloves created a huge stir when he chose to wear one emblazoned with the regimental dagger insignia of the Indian Para Special Forces. Dhoni holds honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army unit of the Parachute Regiment and chose to wear its insignia on his gloves but was not permitted to continue sporting it as it went against the rules. The ICC was mocked by Indian fans for what they think was creating a mountain out of a molehill. Then, this strange device caught the nation's attention while the Prime Minister was blogging at a beach in Mamallapuram. He later revealed that he was carrying an acupressure roller. People were so curious about the cylindrical object in the Prime Minister's hand that Modi felt obliged to answer via a tweet. Revealing he was carrying an acupressure roller, the Prime Minister added that he has found it to be quite useful. Single-use plastics were collectively shunned this year. From the ramparts of the Red Fort on Independence Day, Prime Minister Modi called for a mass movement against single-use plastics. Organizations and individuals across the country answered this call by going single-use plastic-free. We saw straws and caps disappear from drinks served at eateries, and food delivery packaging changed to more sustainable materials. Bahi Khata made a grand appearance. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman discarded the traditional briefcase and showed up in Parliament to present the budget carrying the Desi Bahi Khata. Earlier, different finance ministers of past governments used to carry the briefcase, which was considered a legacy of the colonial period. India's first full-time woman finance minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, said she made the choice to get over this colonial hangover. The king of fruit was on every lip. Earlier this year, in a quote-unquote non-political interview with actor Akshay Kumar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a revelation about how much he enjoys mangoes, and that became the buzzword, with many people mocking Akshay for asking a frivolous question and others amused by this bit of information about the Prime Minister.